All right, so if you have an old radio in your car like this and you are trying to switch to something like this, and you are wondering about the wiring, that is why I am here. Well, for most of you, this will be helpful. This is the old wiring harness for this radio. This is usually for the speaker. You won't touch this, so you keep this in the car. I mean, behind this, the connector is mostly the same, so you don't need that. So I am here to show you. Come on. Oh boy, I can't get it out. Let's see. Okay, I tried. So, I mean, this is the power connector. So I'm here to show you what exactly these colors are for. Well, except for two, which I have no idea and I don't think you will be needing anyway. This red wire is your constant 12 volt. This, so for your battery. So this is your constant 12 volts. If you are wondering, the 12 volt cable that comes from the battery, that's the positive. This big thick black cable is the negative, or the ground wire. Get this off here. Okay, good. This blue cable is your power antenna cable for the radio. So that's the power radio cable. This is the blue one you'll be using for your new connection. This pink wire is your headlight switch. So this one is the one that illuminates or dims the radio's light or the screen if you have it. So take a look at mine. If I turn on my light, you see it goes on and off, and then the screen comes back on. So if I turn on my headlights, it dims the display so I get a clear view of the road. If I turn it back off, I get more light. So yeah, this is the one that does that for you. This pink wire right here. This green wire. Very good. Ignition switch wire. This is the ignition switch wire. This green, constant green wire is the ignition switch. So when you turn the key, it will bring power to your radio or your display if you have it. So these are the main 5 cables that you will need to connect something like this to your car if you have an older radio like mine. I hope this helps out. If you have an idea what these 2 cables do, let's know in the comment section. The green, orange, and the thin black. I have like a full installation video for this guy. You can check it out, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.